You had mentioned the child, possibly becoming confused between the two households, and communication is key there. What what effects? Is there any negative effects that you're seeing or that parents are creating by having these differently run households? Like as the child, what are they seeing or feeling in these scenarios?
If it's just um, scattered rules that are
Yeah.
reactive, that the child doesn't know what to expect, then the child's confused. If the child knows this is the way, your stepmom and I are going to run this house, and you're a big part of that, and it's clear, then there's less confusion. I mean, again, it's about control and understanding for the kids.
And so communication, if the parents are listening to this, almost regardless of the age of the child, based on your statistics of the brain development at 5 being 90%, I mean, you can have that conversation as appropriate as for their age, because it really isn't fair to the child if you're not communicating that to
Yeah,
them.
and you can coach the child. You could say, when you're over at the other parent's house, and they say something negative about the way we do things, or they do things different, you could just say, hey, we had a talk, and the rules, the parameters in this house are different. And if the co-parents communicate about those rules too, they'll understand it. But you can't force the other parent's hand in terms of who washes the dishes or who cleans the person's room. It just, it doesn't work that way.